Welcome to the quick start guide for the Optical Light Lens for Pro Series. In the box, you get an optical lens, 50mm lens, a set of 14 effect plates, 2 Gobo adapters, and an adjustable metal leaf insert. Crafted from high-quality recycled aluminum. Compatible with Harlow Pro and Bowens series. Align the position marks on the lens and the projector, then rotate to complete the installation. Loosen the locking bolt to rotate the projector and adjust the Gobo effect as desired. Focus the lens to ensure sharp and precise projections from any distance. With the included set of 14 effect plates, you will have a great selection of unique effects at your disposal. Put the Gobo plate into the Gobo holder and insert the holder into the projector. The built-in magnets will hold the Gobo holder in place. Seamless adjustment of the aperture allows for extremely precise control of lighting effects. The 4 blades of the adjustable metal leaf insert enable flexible and accurate shaping of your light. Using colored gels is effortless thanks to the magnetic attachment, allowing for quick and easy changes.